Let's search Android Studio download on Google and you will see on first result. Simply open it. After that, click on download button and accept terms and condition, and then again click on download. After that, it will start downloading. In the meanwhile, we will download Flutter SDK and open first link. Select your operating system. In my case, I will download for Windows. Scroll down a little bit and you will see Flutter SDK download option, which is 3.3.10 stable version. Also, we have to install Git for Windows, which is the requirement of Flutter to work. So we will download it. We will download 64-bit Git for Windows setup. Now we will install it, and installation is pretty simple. You simply have to click next in order to install it properly. In the meanwhile, I will extract Flutter SDK. So after extraction, open C folder and create a new folder named src and simply paste Flutter folder which we have downloaded into our src folder. After that, simply open Flutter folder and open start menu and type env and click on it, and then click on environment variable button and find path in user variable and add in the path of the Flutter, which is C Flutter src bin, and then paste in it and OK, and then again OK. Now come back to your Flutter folder and open flutter console.bat file and type flutter -- version. It will show you Flutter version and Dart version number. Now open command prompt and type flutter -- version, and now it will appear here also because we have set the environment variable in it, and now we can access Flutter from any drive. Now we will install Android Studio. Click run, and after that simply press next till the end and wait for some time, and then run Android Studio. Click next and then finish. Now it will ask for import settings. We check on do not import setting and click OK. After that, it will do some background installation. Just wait a while. Now Google is asking some permission. We select don't send and click next. After that, we will select custom to see all my default location. Select our UI theme, and here are some components we have to download. We have to allocate RAM for emulator. We simply press next and install all necessary components. Also, we accept license agreement and then finish. It would take some time according to your internet speed. Approximately it would take half an hour for all the components. After that, Android Studio will get opened, and now you will see plugins option in a side menu. Click on it, and after that search Flutter in it and then install it, and just wait a while. After that, it will say to restart IDE. We will restart it and just wait, and as you can see, we have an option for Flutter project. Click on Flutter project and choose Flutter from your side menu and select the path where you place Flutter SDK, which is in my case I placed in C drive in src folder. Then click next and type your Flutter project name, and rest of the settings should be remain untouched for now, and click finish button and then wait for a while. After opening, search for lib folder and open main.dart file in it. Now this is the sample code from Flutter team which we will run on our emulator. So now we see that there is no device selected up till now. So we will click on AVD manager icon. So right now we don't have any device yet, so we will create a virtual device and you can select any device you want, but I will go with Google Pixel 4. And then we will select Android version for your phone and you can choose any. It will then download it. After that we will click finish and select our SDK and click next, and then without changing any setting in AVD we will click finish. Our virtual device is ready to be launched. We will click on run button, and as you can see it would take some time to launch because there are some processes happening in the background. So now finally we can select our device and launch our main.dart file code in it, and as you can see Gradle starts running and is doing some background processing. Just wait a while. And finally your app has been launched on emulator. We can interact with the app. And after that we will stop it. So this is it for Android Studio setup. In next video we will see VS Code setup, so stay tuned.